Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Depending on when I get this video out, it'll either be later in the day after the hybrid bond one went out or tomorrow. So we'll see what the future holds for me. Um, Nugget Fund is what we're going to go into today. Thanks so much, guys, for all your support on the channel. Views keep going up. The place is getting busier. I'm hoping to have some really good content over the next little bit out for you guys. It's just time. Time is always of the essence. So, welcome to Nugget Fund. I've gone through this a couple times. I'm going to go through a little more details on this video and just kind of show you guys what's been going on inside Nugget Fund because it's been doing quite well. And I'm going to put a little bit more money in. So I bought 10 nuggets. I guess it translated to 9.84 because of the 15 or 2.5% that goes to operations, marketing, gas, dev costs, all that kind of stuff. So no fee goes to the team from the purchase of the token. But basically, as you can see, I bought this at $10 and it's already gone up 87 cents per token. I only bought 10 of them. I'm going to actually start DCing in this one a little bit heavier, I think, over time. I have a few places that I want to start kind of going a little heavier in now that I've got some nice table legs, as I've talked about on my channel before. So with this one, you can actually buy with USDC or USDT, and which aims to deliver weekly rewards in USDC. So just, the rewards are coming in that way. And at present, it is over the counter. So keep in mind, this is not something that you can just sell the token 2 seconds later kind of thing and stuff. So do be aware of that little disclaimer, because it's not just an easy buy, watch it moon, and then sell, nor will it moon like that anyways. So keep that in mind when you're making the purchase. This is more of a long-term play, and the idea is that you'll ROI yourself and just sort of hodl the token as it appreciates in value is the desired hope here. So I'm going to go ahead and buy another 10 more, and I'll do that with USDT because that's what I have sitting in my account right now. And so you just hit, this is Wallet Guard. It's just a neat little thing that helps you kind of keep things in place. I guess I can share it and get something out of it. I don't know. Maybe I'll put that in the description below. If you don't have Wallet Guard on your system, then I would recommend getting it on there. And what we'll do, I'll just quickly see this. So it's just a way to scan things and connect your wallet. Anyways, referrals, look at that. Okay. Anyways, I'll play with that later. I digress. So we're approving that, which I guess I just wed that. There we go. Continue. Cancel. And then we will approve that. So it's 111.42 because the token is now 87 cents more than it was for those 10. And we're going to approve that. Nice and low gas fees right now, so you have a chance to do this. The gas fees are lower than we've seen them in a while on Arbitrum, which is a nice bonus. So we'll just wait for that pending to move over to done, or processed, I think is actually what the wording is. And once that's done, we'll go into the buy and get, because I don't want to, if you try and do it beforehand, there we go, confirmed. Buy. Same thing, you're going to get a little guard here. This is because this website's not really known by Wallet Guard. I think you can do things like... yeah, I think there's ways to tell it that, hey, this is actually a legit place, but I'll worry about that later. In other sites, I do pay a little more attention. Look at that, 6 cents for purchasing. It's so fantastic fees right now. I also did get Anchor Protocol. I've gotten their RPCs. They seem to work a little bit better and be cheaper, which is a nice bonus. So keep that in mind. Wait for that confirm to come back. And there we go. So I've now doubled my investment in Nugget. I do hope to increase that more, and I'll let you guys know as I do that. If you want to know real time when I get more, I'll probably post it in my Discord as I build, and I might actually open a little portfolio setup inside my Discord just to show you guys what I'm actually, where I'm heaviest invested in, or a video series. I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of playing around with the idea because I'm putting that stuff all together as it is right now. So there we go. So I got 19.84. I know why it's a little different, because I think when I purchased it, it was part of the pre-sale, which worked a little different. So this time I actually got 10 Nugget for my funds, and there we go. So the neat thing here, though, is it's kind of a diversified setup. So 20% gets compounded, 20% goes to the team. This is of rewards, so the team only gets the rewards, and then 60% gets airdropped. So the idea here is, as time progresses, with the compounding effect of that 20%, the payout should get better and better over time, even if no new money comes into the ecosystem. And what's happening here right now is it's mostly a trading style bot, like, for lack of using a different word, it's like Warfi. And Marcelo's running these. He's been doing a phenomenal job of this. The idea down the road, though, is that we will spread these funds out, get into some IRL investments as the the TVL grows, and different things to kind of spread the risk out a little bit, as well as create hopefully some more lucrative reward systems inside the ecosystem of Nugget Fund. So very excited for where this is going. Let's take a little peek in the Discord for a minute just to show you how the rewards have been working so far, and the kind of the returns we're getting right now already. So just inside the Discord, as you can see, there's basically a weekly report or a daily chart that shows us how much returns have been made with the bots. Obviously doing quite well right now with 1% and above in a lot of cases. Sorry, my internet must be dying or something. It's not loading. But anyways, 1% and above. You can see here we do a weekly kind of roundup, which goes through, which is what I'm calling this series, which I'll probably do weekly, which shows you the gross ROI, maintenance and compound, all the breakdown of basically everything, and then how much the Nugget token appreciates by weekly and stuff. So this is where we've gotten that 57-cent increase this week, is based on those week's earnings and how everything breaks down. So a lot of transparency, for lack again of saying other people's names, like Monstros, you can see kind of the daily rewards that are accumulating, which is always nice to see. And as I said, with week 2 being here, we've now had a plus 3.22% increase just in the Nugget price, which is pretty sweet, in 1 week's time. And then on top of that, there's the rewards that are being dropped. And I didn't show that, sorry. If I go back over to here, there's funds that have been dropped into my wallet, and I believe this all is from that. I can actually show the transactions. So USDC right here. If you go to, and I'm just going to grab, no, I don't want that. What am I doing? So if I grab the wallet address, and if you go to USDC, I'm okay, guys, sorry, USDC, and if we go to view asset on exchange, when you do this, I can actually search by my wallet, and you'll see the 2 transactions right here. So 2 weeks in a row, so 7 days ago and 2 hours, 1 day and 2 hours ago, I've gotten already $10. So I mean, this is a pretty sweet little move for $100 investment to have already almost $10 back in my pocket for that contribution. So hopefully we're going to see this go quite nicely in this direction, as we've seen already a pretty good 2-week kind of stint for it. As the time goes on, hopefully we'll see that kind of level off and create a nice, really great passive income for everybody. So again, have a peek here. Come on into Discord, same catch as usual. Have a chat. Lazy Dog's in there a lot. Obviously, don't hesitate to at me if you have any questions, or open up a ticket or whatever. But I think we've got a really good foundation here for something a little bit different than everything that's out there, with some similarities. And I think taking some of the good from other projects we've seen in the space, and then making it even better. And like I said, as we diversify this and get into IRL stuff or other types of investment tools or strategies to work out, it could get quite nice. Obviously, the trading side of things, we won't go on forever with these kind of returns, because trading kind of goes in ebbs and flows. Right now, there's a lot of volume in the crypto market, which helps create some really good value for the trading that we're doing. And there are some other things that we're in right now already. So, but basically there's some hybrid NFTs inside here. The funds go to the trading, like a WarFi style, like I said, and a few other things that we're kind of investing in as we diversify this portfolio. But the whole idea will keep trying to create kind of a very consistent reward system going, that won't see some of the ebbs and flows that we've seen out of other protocols. And as we compound and as we create more, even if there's a small digression in the rewards, they should keep up, because the compounding effect will help kind of bolster it when there's slower times. So hopefully you've enjoyed what I'm talking about here and see some value in this. If you do, come on by. As I said, I'm going to start going a little bit heavier in this one, because I do believe in the system that we've set up, the ecosystem that we set up, and it's already kind of proof's in the pudding now already. But as you can see, we need to make this long-term lasting. So nothing here to ape into. I'm not expecting you guys to throw your whole portfolio in here, but I think it's a nice passive diversified way for you to keep growing your portfolio. A great thing to do here is, if you are playing in tokens and all these kind of things and you make a nice 2x or whatever, maybe taking a portion of those rewards and putting them in something like this, where you can kind of just slowly build up while you're still playing some of those fun ones. That's a great way to kind of diversify yourself and work it out. So thank you so much for joining me again for this video. Hopefully you found a lot of value in this one and all the stuff that I'm coming up with you guys now. We're getting a really nice portfolio of projects that are working working quite well for everybody, and not feeling the squeeze of get in first and get out quick that we felt in the past with a lot of our protocols during the last bull market, and even during the bear, there was a lot of them. So I'm hoping we see more of a push towards these more quality type driven products as opposed to just gamble plays, as they're called. So excited to see that, hopefully kind of the cream rise to the top kind of thing, kind of example inside the space, and excited for that. Thanks so much for all your time again, guys, and have yourselves a wonderful rest of your day.